Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Altcoin Mentors YouTube channel. My name is Peter, and today I'm going to talk about intraday trade management for one of the trades that I posted up earlier this morning. So the symbol is XMR, Monero. So let's look at this trade. So early in the morning, we had a bounce off of the 200 EMA, color change confirmation. I got in. My orange here line, as usual, is my stop loss. I had a target at 375, it went a little bit higher, came very close to 375, and then I started trailing it by the 1 hour ATR, and then it ended up kicking me out with a small profit. But not bad in an intraday basis, 1.5%. So one of the things that I want to talk to you today about is the difference between being a generalist and a specialist. So most of the time, as a trader, it's better to be a specialist because you don't want to try to reinvent the wheel. You can just trade the same thing over and over again. I know sometimes people have big scanners. They try to look at the whole universe of cryptos, or in my case, the whole universe of like futures, equities, or Forex. And then more often than not, they miss more opportunities than they can actually get into because they're usually a little bit late. But by being a specialist, you can always get there a little bit earlier, and then you know exactly what to look for because you've already been there before. That's exactly what I did later on this afternoon. So after I got out, it went up a little bit, it started coming back down, and then once again, we had color change and confirmation. So here's the difference. So before, we had color change here, but there was no confirmation. So there's two things wrong with this trade. Number one is that it's actually higher than I got out at, which is not a good sign for me. I would pass that anyway. And there was no confirmation. But this time, we had color change, confirmation. I got in. I put my my stop loss originally here. It started to make me some money right away. And then now I put a same thing, a 1 hour ATR trailing stop loss. And even with that stop loss, I am currently slightly profitable, which is better than breaking even or losing any type of money. My target is still set at 375. So I hope this helps you in your intraday trading. If you have any questions, please put it in our comment section. If you like our videos, please subscribe. If you'd like to get some of our signals, subscribe to join our channels on YouTube, Twitter, TradingView, and Telegram. Thank you and have a good night.